Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Jabra Elite 75T headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android phone. At first we have to go into Bluetooth settings by holding our Bluetooth icon and going to details. Now I have to remove our headphones from our case, just like that. And now I have to go into pairing mode by clicking on this button over here for at least 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. Now they are in pairing mode. As you can see, they are over here, so we just have to click on it. Now we have to click pair. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.